Hello guys and welcome back again to the channel. Hope you guys are doing great. In today's video, we are making Kelewele, that is spice plantain recipe. So with this I'll need some ripe plantain. I will also add some spices, that is my peppercorn, African calabash, nutmeg, ginger, cloves, grains of selim and onion. I will also add some salt and Kivo hot pepper. Now I'll peel my plantain, then cut it horizontally. After that, I will slice it diagonal and set this aside. If today is your first time of seeing this channel, you are welcome and thanks for clicking on this video. This is Getty Cooks. We make food recipes. Moving forward into my blender, I will add my spices and add a little amount of water, then blend this into a very beautiful paste. Okay guys, it's time to season the plantain. I went ahead to add the salt and also add the blended spices. I also added the Kivo hot pepper, mix all together. So after that, I will let it marinate for 30 minutes to allow the flavors to be brothers and sisters. And then I will deep fry the plantain. And I want to use this opportunity to welcome my new subscribers. Thank you so much for being part of this wonderful family. To my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for always coming back to watch my videos and also to leave a comment under my video. I do appreciate all your efforts. Alright guys, the oil has heated and I went ahead to scoop the plantain into the oil. So I'm not going to stir this because I still want the spices to be on the plantain. So this is after 10 minutes on being on the fire. I will just give it a gentle stir. Are you still with me after this time? If you are, thank you so much. Please like this video and also share this video to reach more people. You can also follow me on other social media networks, that is Instagram, Facebook and TikTok as Getty Cooks. So now I'm just stirring it for the other side to also fry it very well. And once it is ready, I will just take it out from the oil. Okay fam, so the plantain is well fried now. I will just take it off from the oil and let it rest on the paper towel to drain the excess oil. Okay, lovelies, this is our Kelewele all done. This turned out to be so delicious. Just look at this yummy outcome. And I pair this with roasted granite. If you find this video interesting, can you give this video a thumbs up and also share this video to reach more people? Till I come your way again, see you guys in my next video, and peace be with you all. Thank you for watching. Bye.